Hello from Latchi Adams Beach that I am visiting today on this 28th of December. And the beach is almost completely empty and is undergoing a reconstruction here. As I have seen, they are bringing some more sand into this beach. And it is quite a small beach here, and it is right next to Nissi Beach, just on the other side around those palm trees that you can see. And it's not my first time here on this beach. I was on this very same beach on my birthday on 31st of August, and now 4 months later I'm here once again in the winter season here in Cyprus. So today is day 8 of my 2-week exploration in Ayia, Napa, Cyprus, and this is yet another beach in Ayia, Napa. And the beach has entry both from the shore here that is mixed with stones and sand, and there is even a stairs that I'm gonna show you very quick. So we're gonna enter actually the sea from those stairs just to see how it is. The sea here, they are bringing some more sand, and I think they are going to reconstruct the beach to be a bit more bigger. Yes, so definitely not as good as Nissi Beach. That's probably the best beach in the Napa, but still decent. And we have 20 degrees Celsius in the air and in the water, the same temperature. And if you want to escape the crowds that are quite heavy during the summer, as I remember, this beach was fully packed when I was here at the end of August, and that's actually almost towards the end of the season, but now it is so nice and beautiful. You can enjoy your own inner peace, and it still looks amazing, and it's still quite warm, I would say. And yeah, this is quite sandy over here, and they created here steps into the water, and there is also a caution for a wet floor. Quite nice steps here. Look at that. That's the whole beach that you can see. And just around the corner, as I mentioned, is Nissi Beach. All right, this looks very, very nice. Super nice entry here, and it's super sandy as well. Beautiful. So on this side it is only sand, but if you enter from the shore, it is mixed with sand and stones. So this is much better, if you ask me. Cool. So beach adventure at Latchi Adams. Let's then dive in. It's beautiful. The water is amazing, and pure sand here where I'm standing. As it is almost the same water and sand as Nissi Beach. That's very beautiful, and it's only 100 meters away from here. But yeah, that's a wrap then from this small yet beautiful beach, Latchi Adams. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.